I pray because I see a wind from the sea. I pray in Jesus' name. Amen.
Central America is facing its second major hurricane in as many weeks. This is Nicaragua as Hurricane Iota approached landfall. A storm surge of up to 6 meters and winds of 250 kilometers an hour battered northern beaches.
This is the 5th hurricane I've seen in my life, and it's one of the strongest and most destructive hurricanes we've ever seen.
Iota made landfall in Nicaragua just 25 kilometers from where Hurricane Eta struck 2 weeks ago. It killed more than 120 people. Residents traumatized by Eta fled again.
We are asking people to help us take our things to another place. Please, we are asking them to take us to where it's safe because it's not safe here. I'm afraid for my life.
Iota crossed the Caribbean as a Category 5 hurricane. It's the strongest storm ever recorded in the Atlantic this late in the year. Records began in 1851. Iota first pushed over the Colombian islands of San Andres and Providencia. It's the most powerful storm to ever hit Colombian territory. The devastation there is immense.
There
is maximum damage to the infrastructure. We're talking about 98% of the infrastructure on the island of Providencia being ruined.
Iota is expected to move next to Honduras and Guatemala, soaking the already sodden track of Hurricane Eta. Their presidents joined forces to ask for financial aid, with the economic forecast just as dire.
It has been scientifically verified, and seeing it in practice, that Central America and Honduras are among the regions in the world most affected by climate change. We have a problem. Countries know that due to their industries, that they are the greatest generators of climate change effects, so they have green funds available. But it's extremely difficult for us to access the funding.
The 2020 Atlantic hurricane season has seen the most named storms on record, so many that meteorologists ran out of names from their set list. People across Central America are hopeful Iota is the last one of the year. Charlotte Ballas, Al Jazeera.